Hey, strangers, are you a person who has trouble in getting up? If you say yes, you will never know you may lose the cream of your life. That's because you lose the amazing opportunity to enjoy the beautiful scene, which is a sunrise. The beauty of sunrise is beyond description. Walking at dawn, you can enjoy the beautiful sunrise. What a delight for us! Especially seen from high in the mountains, it's indeed a spectacle. So, if you are tired of your annoyed matter, try this. Maybe you will feel more the unexpected energy, such as the sound of reading books spread by the energetic children, or the sound of running. The sunrise every day proves people's hard working. You can gain a variety of beautiful scenes.